wa ruhoge rwa kuhurana na ungumania guku bururi-ini niwe muthikabu David Oginge atitirithitie wiuheani wa ruhoge ruru hari kuhurana na ungumania thirikari-ini nyingi cia matuura. Akiaria ari kaunti-ini ya Mombasa, Oginge ni athingatite kurumirirwo kwa watho na makiria kuri afitha thirikari-ini cia matuura na aria makoretwo makihuthika hari ungumania wa mbeca cia muingi, undu uria utumite kaunti cikorwo cigithie na mbere kurigia hari gukorwo makirutirwo wira kuri muingi.
We are not targeting, we go for any incidences of corruption, whether big or small. If you have followed the report that we gave recently, I don't know who Nyangumis are, but in our view, if you look at the report that we gave out recently, we are pursuing Ketraco, for example. Ketraco involves big names in that scandal. Ketraco has to do with the Turkana wind power project. That was a very grand idea, a great idea, especially ESG idea, but serious corruption, billions of shillings that were lost there, and big guys that are involved. That is a matter that we have already investigated. We have forwarded to office of the DPP for prosecution, and we are trusting that in a very short while these people will be arrested and brought to account for their action. I used to think likewise until now that I'm inside. I've realized that small fish are actually the people who are being used by the big fish. The small fish are not stealing for themselves. They are actually stealing for others. We have a case like Siaya, for example, which we have just concluded investigations. We found a secretary who stole 70 million, and I say stole in quotes, but she never benefited from that money. It was actually passed on to the bigger guys. So if you allow the small people to get away with the monies that they are stealing or the resources they are stealing, you are actually feeding the big guys. The small guys are just being used, sadly. A majority of them, let me not say all of them, there are some who are stealing for themselves, but a majority of them are actually stealing on behalf of the big guys. And so we must stop that flow. So when we send our files, they are not the only files that they are dealing with. So they have to prioritize according to the kind of work that they have. If that was given to or delegated, and that is a possibility, and we would like to discuss that with DPPs. It's not taking over their role.
Thank you for organizing. David